Questions on the waiting times for a GHA dentist took up a chunk of the Parliament session yesterday. Health Minister Gemma Arias-Vázquez revealed that kids are not being seen by a dentist until they're 6 years old, with the opposition claiming this is more like 7 or 8 years old for some. Waiting times for routine orthodontist appointments were also revealed.
There is no discernible waiting list for urgent cases, as these are prioritised immediately. The waiting list for routine patients and those with less serious orthodontic issues is approximately 36 months. In relation to question 47, considering the period between 1st of July 2023 and the 14th of January 2025, the average age at which a child had their first appointment with a GHA dentist is 6 years old.
Under the NHS, that children should be seen and are provided free care the moment that their milk teeth, that's the advice at the NHS, their milk teeth grow in. And that is a fairly young child, because children tend to have milk teeth by the age of about 1, maybe 2 years of age. And therefore, is it the case that the GHA is falling short of the service that it should be providing children in terms of dentistry?
Madam Speaker, here we provide dental care from children from the age of 4 and 5. That is what indeed we're being advised that we should provide, and that is indeed what we are providing.
Madam Speaker, dental services are being provided from the age of 4 and 5, and yet the age that the Honourable the Minister has given me as an average for the first time that a child is seeing a dentist here in Gibraltar is 6.
The issue of dental waiting lists has been raised a number of times over the years. In 2022, 1,700 children were waiting for their first checkup following the pandemic. At the time, the GHA said it was very keen to address the current waiting times and was in the process of securing additional help to reduce those lists. The following year, the GHA said it was investing in additional resources to tackle the dental services waiting list for children within 5 months. A promise repeated during the election. Joelle Ladislous asked why the list hadn't been cleared as promised. The minister now says such lists are rolling.
The waiting list is never going to be cleared because there will always be children added to that waiting list. So the child that turns 5 now wasn't 5 a year ago, but that child will be added to the waiting list. So the waiting list will be a rolling waiting list. In addition to that, they are currently trying to pick up children from the 2020-2021 cohort that should have been picked up. And what I am told by the dentists is that the ones that are left from that list are the ones that either they are unable to contact, be it because the numbers may be out of date because they might have moved away from Gibraltar, or because the parents are incontactable. So the GHA is consistently trying to drive down that number.
In figures given by the Minister to Parliament, she revealed over 11,000 appointments were given to 4,000 children in 2024, half the number of children eligible to be seen by a dentist. However, wait times surely can't be helped by the fact GHA dentists have been on industrial action for over 2 years. They say they've been facing an overwhelming number of patients, as well as staff reductions and a loss of dental chairs. Unite the Union has told GBC that the action is ongoing due to the outstanding position on the dentist contract, which is yet to be finalised. But they say it's close and there are outstanding points which are being worked through with the GHA, and they're hopeful it will be concluded soonest, with the next meeting likely next month.